Is the settings app not opening on your Windows 11 computer? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing this issue. So let's jump right into the solutions, no time to waste. Solution 1. First, repair Windows system files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD, then right-click on command prompt from the search result. Select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. After that, type in dism/online/cleanup-image/check health and press the enter key. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health and press enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if that fixed the issue. Solution 2. Reset the settings app. To do this, click on the search icon and type in PowerShell. Then right-click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as Administrator from the context menu, and click on Yes to give permission. Then copy and paste this command, get-appx package windows.immersive control panel space reset-appx package and hit enter. You can find it in the video description. Once it's done, reboot your computer and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 3. Edit group policy on computer. To do this, click on the search icon and type in edit group policy. Then click on edit group policy from the search result and this program should pop up. Now double click on administrative templates. Next, click on control panel. Then double click on prohibit access to control panel and PC settings from here and change its state to either not configured or disabled. Then click on apply and then on OK to save this change. Lastly, reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, settings should open up without any issues. So guys, that's how you deal with the settings app not opening problem on Windows 11 devices. If the video helped you sort out the issue, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks a million for watching.